way. Keep your ass right here. It won't nothing that you did wrong to a nigga. You been keeping it real since you stepped in my life. Appreciate you for everything you did. I've been in this trap fucking shit up. I don't come home certain nights for real, but you keep your loyalty to me for real. It's something about you that's serious, so the guy that I love you for sure. You stepped in and out the trap, me for real. You never turn your back on the trap, nigga, for real. Now tell me how you really feel. I'm doing some different shit for real. I'm tryna switch your shit up. I'm tryna show you I'm the one. I'm tryna leave what's up. Probably should've kept it real from the start, but you know sometimes I can't keep it real about certain shit. I gotta lead you on and make you feel a certain way about me for real. But once you locked in, you stuck. It ain't giving up on the trap, nigga, for real. Can't turn your back on me, I'm being real. I'm the biggest out this bitch, I'm being real. Let me pay for everything. I take you out every day. 7 days a week, I ain't doing shit unless I don't make money. We can go out to eat at Eddie V's. I can take you to the steakhouse and pay for everything right now. Tip the waitress a $1,000 tip for the show. You know how I do it, microwave. I've been doing it. You know what I'm saying? Since like 15 years old. Just tell me how you feel about it.